Hello, Frasians? KrisAI watchers. We'll figure out a name for you. We had this question come in on the Frase Facebook group. And I decided to answer it, so here is a short video showing you how to unlink a link that you have inside of your Frase document. I suppose I will also show you how to create a link in case you haven't figured that out. So now let's jump inside of my computer. So inside of Frase, we're going to go ahead and just highlight this text here. I'm just choosing some arbitrary text to link to, and we're just going to link that to Google. Got to do that properly. All right, google.com. Okay. Now, when I was creating that link, you might have noticed some UI kind of feedback, right? We've got the link, and you see you've got the link creation button, and you have the unlink creation button or removal button. This actually, I don't see at any point where this gets used inside of the workflow. So this is a UI opportunity for the Frase team. To remove the link, you're just going to click on it and then you'll see the following box. You're going to delete the text out of it and then you're going to click the save button. Now the link is gone. Now, ideally, we would want the unlink option that we see right here. This would probably make it easier, make it very similar to the WordPress editor, but I do not see a way inside of the UI to do that. So like I said, it's an area of improvement opportunity, but I hope this makes unlinking links inside of your Frase document super simple. Take care.